When to use affect and when to use affect. I'm completely confused, not understanding when to use these things. What is the meaning of them? Am I using them wrongly? Well, if you have all this confusion, then trust me, I've got everything covered in this video. Basically, this video talks about the differences between the verb affect or the noun affect and the verb affect. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Hey everybody, Nakul from Skillsacademy of English. I really hope everybody is doing fantastic. If you're new to this channel, you can click on the subscribe button for the future notifications. So here we are starting with this video, letting you understand the differences between the word affect and the word affect. Even the native speakers have problems in this. Many of them make mistakes which they don't even realize. Affect is usually used as a noun. Affect and affect, A-F-F-E-C-T, is usually used as a verb. So now you need to understand the concepts behind a noun and a verb. A noun is like a monkey. It keeps doing some actions, and to represent the action we have another entity called verb. So noun is the doer, verb is what action it is doing. So affect, E-F-F-E-C-T, is a noun. How do you represent a noun in English? The noun or a noun, the boy, the girl, the city, the affect. How do you represent a verb? To eat, to verb, to sing, to cry. Hope you get to fight, to affect. He eats, it eats, it affects. Hope you are getting it. A-F-F-E-C-T is used as a verb. E-F-F-E-C-T is used as a noun. E-F-F-E-C-T is also used as a verb in some scenario which I'm not covering in this video, but 99% of the times E-F-F-E-C-T is a noun, A-F-F-E-C-T is a verb. Let me just share my screen and give you more insights about it. Effect, when used as a noun, it refers to the result, the consequence or the outcome of an action. The boy, the girl, the city, the effect, the greenhouse effect. Remember this, the effect, it affects. The effect, it affects. So let me just show you a few of the example. The earthquake had a devastating effect. No, devastating effect. A boy, a girl, an effect, a great effect, a devastating effect. The teacher's strict discipline had a positive effect, a greenhouse effect. So it's a effect, the effect, it's a noun. The policy changes had some outcome, some significant effect. E-F-F-E-C-T, the music had a soothing effect, the new effect took place. Hope you are getting it. It's always the effect or an effect or a devastating some effect. That's where the effect is used as a noun. Now let's understand affect. Like I already told you, affect is a verb. It means to affect someone, to influence in a negative way, to impact or produce a change in something. This is a verb, this is the action. The previous one, affect, is the doer. He is doing the action, this is the action. Hope you are getting it. The noise affected my confidence, not affected. The weather changes affected my help. This is all the verb form. The tragic news affected her deeply. The loud noise affects my concentration. Affects and effect, singular noun, plural noun. Affect or affect is a singular verb, plural verb. This is a verb, that is a noun. Affect my concentration. It affects my concentration. It affects my confidence. The effect happened. An effect or a devastating effect. That's the major difference. So this is what it is. Affect is a verb, effect is a noun. Effect in some cases is used as a verb as well to bring about the change. This affected this particular rule, means some changes was brought into action. Let's not worry too much about it. Most of the times effect is a noun, affect is a verb. It affects the effect, it affects the effect. So now to test your understanding, I've got a small quiz of 5 marks. So let's see how many of you can actually get 5 out of 5. You can pause the video, do it, and once you have finished all of them, you can resume the video to understand what mistakes you have done. Fairly simple, easy peasy. Remember the effect, an effect, a profound effect. Let's represent it as E or EFF. The medication can after can. I can eat, I can run, I can talk. It can affect. it is AFF. Hope you are getting it. Will, after will, verb will come. I will eat, I will run, it will affect the company's bottom line. Affect. Simple, isn't it? Hope you are getting it. Will, after will, verb will come. So it is will. Verb will come. Verb is affect. Remember, affect is a verb, affect is a noun. I hope this video made sense. Don't use them interchangeably. Any point of time you need more updates on something like this, do leave a comment. My team or I will look into it and do the needful. Click on the subscribe button for the future notification. This is Nakul signing off from Skills Academy of English. See you soon. Bye-bye.